So before we start today's video, we have a special guest, my girlfriend, and Mika. For those that don't know, this is, like I said, this is my girlfriend, and this is Mika. This is our 6-month-old Peekapoo, Pekingese poodle. I
exist.
No one cares about her. And then we also have our cat Pebbles, but let's get back to the video. So today we're going to be installing the Grimmspeed Hood props, so that way you can get rid of this stupid ass thing that's always getting in your way and brings the hood up to that high. So holding the camera here, it just barely gets above the logo. So like I said, today we're going to install the hood prop kit for my Forester, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Yeah. So as a quick disclaimer, currently the engine bay looks like a mess because I want to be able to shut the hood the whole way, so a lot of things that were up on the cowl I had to tuck in there, but it's not as bad as it looks. That's what I'm telling myself. So as you can see, this is for the 03 to 08 Forester XT. It's a whole kit. It's not like you guys have to hopefully mix and match parts from other kits. This is a kit specific for our Foresters. Yay. Once we open up the box, you guys can see that somebody with a very awesome name, thanks Cody, packaged my product. And inside you have the kit itself, as well as the most important part, a sticker. Inside the package you'll see some brackets as well as some hardware, and then the pistons themselves. So inside you'll have some bolts as well as some ball-headed bolts, and then the two brackets that these go on the hood themselves, and some Grimmspeed stickers to put on the pistons. Bloop!
She took a poop!
So my dog took a poop and went through a puddle right after her bath yesterday.
Okay, she'll get another bath.
You can get another bath? Come here. Yeah. So as you guys can see, this is all the hardware you're gonna get. You're gonna get your pistons, your brackets, your ball boys, 2 pins, 2 nuts. First you wanna get your driver's side bracket ready to go. When this is installed, this is gonna be sitting on the bottom bolt that holds your hood to the hinge, and this is the top bolt. And then the side here is where the piston's gonna connect. So when this is installed, this is the driver's side. This is gonna sit on the bottom bolt, and this is going top bolt. So as you guys can see, this is notched. So what you're gonna do is undo the bottom bolt first, then install one of the supplied bolts, slide this on, hinge it up, and then do your top bolt. So it should look something like this. Once you have the bracket installed, now we can move on to the fender bolt. You're gonna take the fender bolt that's right in the middle of the fender, we're gonna remove that and put in one of the ball boys in place. So at this point you should have one ball boy installed as well as your bracket. Now pay close attention to the orientation like so. Next you're going to take one of your pistons, you're going to install the piston on the outside like so. And then you're going to push the piston in and then set it on the ball boy. Take one of your pins and you're going to pin it through. Now you should have your driver's side completed. Once you have these all the way up, you can take a 13mm wrench and just tighten up this jam nut here on the other side. 2 more awesome perks about this. You get to ditch this piece as well as this stupid stick. Then the final touch, installing the Grimmspeed stickers. Without these installed on the pistons, they're just not going to work. So as you guys can see that the hood kind of goes up quite a bit now. Look at that beautiful 90. But beautifully made brackets, nice pistons, and all the hardware was obviously included. So massive thank you to Art over at Grimmspeed. Awesome person to deal with. Been friends with him, been homies with him for about probably 2-3 years, whenever the Legacy build started. Very cool dude, also is a cool Forester. And just a massive thank you for taking care of me all the time with Grimmspeed. They're awesome people. You guys see me talk about them all the time. They just make a really nice quality product. You get rid of the super little dipstick that holds up the hood, and it opens the hood all the way, almost as far as you could, with disconnecting the hood stick and resting on the windshield. But it's one of the greatest mods, and one of the best first mods I recommend, because now you have access to the engine bay. You're not gonna be interfere with a little stupid stick, and it just cleans up the engine bay. And it's a great first mod to do. So I'm a little late to the party. So make sure you guys check out Grimmspeed's pages and stuff like that. Go show him some love. Tell Art I say hi. He has a cool Forester, so he's Forester homie. And yeah, if you guys want to see any more videos, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell as well, if that's still a thing. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks so much for watching. Bye. Enjoy the dog content as well. And if you're here for the dog content, comment below what kind of dog or animal you have. Yeah. So my dog took a poop and went through a puddle right after her bath yesterday.